How to check if your seat safety is causing a short circuit. If the fuse in the wiring harness keeps going out, you likely have an electrical issue. Check the wiring harness for any damaged or exposed wire touching the frame. Next, check to ensure that the seat sensor is not touching any metal. Remove the seat cover. Move the foam away from the seat. It is not necessary to remove it completely. Check to see if the copper switch is touching any metal from the seat. If you are having issues where the switch keeps touching metal, you can cover the outside rim of the switch in electrical tape. If this did not solve your issue, please contact GXI using the contact form on parts3221.com.